Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your daily midday market minute. We'll start off with the equities. You got the S&P pushing above 4,500, testing key resistance at 4,509. The Nasdaq testing key resistance at 15,400. Now, we detailed how bullish we are in the Morning Express, but the S&P and Nasdaq both have to hold out above major three-star support levels. We detailed them in the Morning Express. Check it out. It's all there. And ultimately, if we hold above there, it's paving a path of least resistance to new record highs. It's paving a path of least resistance to our rolling target we've had all year, 46.20 in the S&P. So again, check out the Morning Express. We give you the line in sand that it must hold out above. But I will tell you, we do have major three-star resistance overhead of this key resistance, 45.25, 45.29. It does align with the high closes in the S&P. So keep an eye on that as we move higher. We want to see this thing, again, hold out above that line in the sand, pave a path of least resistance higher. Now, crude oil held its line in the sand as well, 80.77 to 81.17, a wide range of major three-star support, right when it took out yesterday's low and in the overnight low. Right when people could have thought it was going to roll over, what did it do? It held major three-star support perfectly and rebounded. We're back above $82. Now, we can see what we did have a high yesterday. Is it going to go back to that high? That high yesterday did fail just short of major three-star resistance. It's a measured move from the consolidation we had through last week. Check it out again. That level is on the Morning Express, detailed completely there. So check it out. And now for gold and silver, very exciting to see. But we tempered those expectations this morning in the Morning Express. We told you, do not get too excited. We have to see where this thing closes today. Silver's testing major three-star resistance, $24 to $24.28. And what it's done, it's fallen back a little bit. Still, if they could hold constructively, close decently, really just close out above, say, 23.70, 23.80 today, that, which is setting up to do, hold that level overnight, that's healthy. Gold, though, failed major three-star resistance again, 1786, falling back below 1770 here today. And we highlighted that even though silver's moving really well, gold is still 1% from the level it failed at last week. The 200-day moving average, major three-star resistance at 1800. So, listen, this consolidation is great. We weren't expecting this thing to really start getting going immediately. We are bullish gold and silver long-term, but seeing silver move today is exciting. Pick your spots. Wait for this market to consolidate a bit. Gold looks like it wants to continue to consolidate. The 30-year Treasury yield is moving higher today. The yield curve is steepening a bit, coming out of that flattener the last 2 days. And the fact that the Treasuries are much lower, the prices, that's weighing on gold right now. The dollar's rebounding from the overnight low. That's also weighed on gold a bit too. But as the week develops, we're going to see new information. We'll see what happens with this dollar. Is this a new low in the dollar that's going to continue to sell off? And then that would actually help boost and underpin gold and hold against support. So there's a lot of questions here in the metals as we settle today and go into the rest of the week. Give us a call. Our trade desk is here to help you with that. 312-278-0500. Remember though, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors.